Introduction. HTML5 has revolutionized web design and development. HTML Formatter is a tool that makes HTML5 coding easier and efficient. The tool formats HTML code in a neat, organized, and visually appealing way for easier readability and understanding. What is an HTML formatter? Also known as an HTML beautifier, it's a tool that arranges HTML code in a formatted, structured, and indented manner, enhances readability of the code, and simplifies code maintenance. Helps quickly identify syntax errors or misplaced tags. Why use an HTML formatter? Improves readability by indenting lines of code and spacing out elements. Easy debugging. Misplaced tags or syntax errors are easier to identify in well-structured and formatted code. Maintainability. A well-formatted code is easier to maintain and update. How to use an HTML formatter? Write your HTML code as usual, then copy and paste it into an HTML formatter tool. The tool will reformat your code, adding indents and spacing to make the code more readable. Tips and tricks. Consistent indentation. Maintain consistent indentation throughout your code. Use comments. Make notes about what certain sections of your code do. Close tags properly. Unclosed tags can lead to unexpected results or errors. Common error-prone cases. Misplaced tags, incorrectly placed tags can lead to unexpected results. Incorrect nesting. Incorrect nesting can lead to a confusing hierarchy of elements. Unclosed tags can lead to unexpected results or errors. How to avoid common errors. Regularly check your code. Regular checks can help identify and correct errors early. Use a linter. A linter can help identify common errors and maintain consistent indentation and formatting. Conclusion. An HTML formatter is an essential tool for web developers, improves the readability and maintainability of your code. Regularly check your code and use tools like linters to avoid common errors.